How to remove and replace a cabinet door.
This is our door for today. To uninstall it, we have to take a look from the inside. We are looking for this little guy. Simply pull it. And there we are. Now if you want to reinstall it, we have to take this little guy right here into this little hole over there. And there we are.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!